Kapag nag-grocery ako, paniguradong may bili akong ground pork. Mura kasi, madali at versatile pang lutuin. Like itong giniling version natin today na napakasimple pero napakasarap with fresh, juicy tomatoes at tamis linamnam ng oyster sauce. Potatoes and carrots are a good way to extend the dish. I-dice lang na maliit at pan-fry until lightly browned and tender para mas appetizing tignan at hindi mag-fall apart pag-add sa stew. Bawasan ng oil at igisa ang onions and garlic until translucent. Add the ground pork, break it apart into smaller pieces, and cook until lightly browned. Isunod ang tomatoes at lutuin until softened and mag-release ng juices. Ibuhos ang tubig, soy sauce, and Maggi oyster sauce for a sweet and savory boost. Stir to combine and bring to a boil. Cover, lower the heat, and simmer until the pork is cooked and the liquid is reduced. Add the brown potatoes and carrots. Adjust ang timpla with salt and pepper to taste. Continue to cook until nain-in na ang sauce to desired consistency. Subukan mo itong simpleng giniling recipe. Siguradong patok sa budget at panlasa ng buong family. Iterno sa mainit na kanin o ipalaman sa tinapay. Enjoy!